Kag and Balls here again with another unboxing video. This time it's actually nice here, so I have my garage door open. So if you hear the birds chirping in the background, I apologize, but we're going to go ahead and get into this. I had to cut the label off. I haven't actually opened it up yet, but I was working on some things earlier and cut my hand open here, so hopefully I don't get blood on my items. What is this? Nothing. So I've made a couple of videos in the past few days here, and I don't know if you can see these or not. I've got speakers back here. Yeah, my phone's, either somebody calls and something happens where it messes up my video and I can't do anything. So here we have a pair of Rockford Fosgate Fanatic 5 1/4 high performance speakers. Saw these on eBay and was talking to the guy and started talking to him more and more, and eventually talking to him on Facebook and all that fun stuff about some of his Rockford Fosgate stuff that he's got. So ended up picking these up in the box. Supposed to be brand new in the box, so we'll end up opening them up. We'll open up one pair just for the video and time's sakes and take a look at them. These are model HPC2205, 5 1/4 two-way 4-ohm, manufactured in 2002. The thing that I always liked about these, I had a pair of these speakers many moons ago in a Mustang that I had, but they were the 6.5s. So I've kind of gone away from the collecting the power subs for right now. I've got a good number of them. This one needs to be fixed. The terminals ended up breaking off of it, so I need to replace those. But this one, I moved on to the speakers. So my goal is to collect all of these in the 5 1/4, 6.5, 4x6, 5x7, 6x8, 6x9, etc., etc. So without further ado, we'll open these up here and we'll take a look and see what's inside. Always gotta like it whenever you have stuff that's brand new. So we have our speaker wire. Always gotta have your speaker wire. My neighbor's home across the street. Let's take a look. Got our owner's manual here. And this should be the speaker and the grill. Now, I never use these grills. I actually have a couple pairs of these grills from whenever I had my speakers. I've never used them though. So, and here is our driver. Go ahead and take this out of the bag. So one thing that was always appealing to me was that these reminded me of the Fanatic X component sets that were out back in the day. From what I understand, the tweeters and the drivers themselves are actually the same components as a Fanatic X component set, but put into a coax speaker. So here's the back of it. We've got Rockford Fosgate, 120 watts, HPC2205. So I'm not a stickler whenever it comes to a lot of, I'm not going to say originality. I mean, originality is always a plus, but whenever it comes down to, like, these speakers are in the, what I call the colorful box. The ones that I had were in the plain brown box, and those are usually the ones that I prefer to collect, is the brown box Fosgate stuff from that particular era. But with these, I've been looking for some for a while. There's people wanting ridiculous amounts of money for them. I picked up both of these for basically what most people want for one set. So I'm happy about it. So put these back in here. So that'll pretty much wrap it up. Like I said, it's just kind of a boring video today for the unboxing. And like I said, the other ones, I'll go through those and check, make sure that they're good to go. I'm almost positive they are, and I'm not too worried about it. And I keep forgetting to put stuff in here while I'm talking to you guys. So that'll wrap it up. If you guys want to see a video on these, I've got some of these newer Power Series speakers. There's 3 4-inch. I've got a 5-inch and a 6-inch over here. I was also doing a video on these whenever my phone messed up, and these are my $30 at a pawn shop, and they're beat to hell. And I told the guy, I says, well, they're not worth $30 to me. Then he ended up finding out that there was a hole in the surround here. So that particular unit, he actually sold them both to me for $5, which was not that bad of a deal, in my opinion. For $5, I can use them. So anyway, if you like what you see, if you want to check out some other videos, if you want me to make a video on some of this other stuff, give me a holler, let me know. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and have a good day.